Hello everyone, and welcome back to the second part from the video about historical orders and deals, and in this one, which is the final one from the series about Python integration for MetaTrader 5, we are going to discuss how to access historical deals using two different functions, but before we get there, let me quickly show you the definition of a deal, because maybe you are a little bit confused. What is an order? What is a position? I'm sure that you know this, but the deal is the reflection of the fact of a trade operation execution based on an order that contains a trade request. Okay, so when an order is executed, the system creates deal information. This is what this definition basically says, and the first function that I'd like to explore is history deals total, and the next one, the final one, will be history deals get. When we are done with these two functions, we are going to move forward to the actual trading bot creation starting from the next video. But for the moment, let's concentrate on these two functions, and you can see that you're already familiar with this structure, their definition. You can see here in the previous video we've covered history orders total, now we have deals total, deals get, orders get, again in the positions here, orders total, orders get. So it's pretty similar to what we've done before. What you have to do is to provide starting and ending date, and you're going to receive the total number of deals in between these 2 days in the form of an integer. So let's go to Python and let me quickly copy this information from the first part of the video when we worked with historical orders. So I will use a starting date. I'll show you in a second what I'm doing from the 6th of 7th to February, and history orders total, and not orders, but it should be deals. And I will have to remove this filtering. I will use this in a second, but what I did here, if I go to MetaTrader 5 under the history tab, here on 6th of February I have only one deal, and for the moment I'd like to concentrate on some short time periods. Of course, here on the 5th I have another deal. This is the order page, but if you go here and switch to deals, I have one on the 6th and one on the 5th of February, and more deals on the 4th of February. So let's go here and take a look. First, I'm expecting to see here an integer of 1. Let me rename this variable because it creates some confusion. Deals total, okay. And deals total returns an integer of 1 as expected. Let me just increase quickly the time span, and now if I run this, you can see here it returns an integer of 2 because I've included the 5th of February in between starting and ending date. So this is how this function works, but the most interesting part is with the second version of the historical deals functions here, because it provides access to the real attributes of your deals. More information is contained within this tuple. It returns a tuple. So a few different options to call the functions, providing starting and ending date, or by ticket or by position, and you can filter by group. So let's start with this first method, which is starting and ending date. We've seen this, but if I go back, let me just copy this once again, and I will paste it here. History deals get, and here deals get. Let me now run this one. I think it should be okay. Deals get, Uh, Here, of course, I have to update the function name, and now I have returned tuple of these two deals that we have in between the 5th and 7th of February. And of course, as usual, I'm not going to show you once again how to access all the relevant information that is contained within the tuple, but you can access all these attributes, and you can see here the symbol name and so on and so on. This is not the subject of this video. So this is how you can get your historical deals. And let me for example start with this filtering parameter. You've seen this before, but maybe it will be good to show you how this works one more time. And you can use some substring, actually the symbol name, euro, USD, GBP, or something else. Let me quickly take a look. I have here mostly euro USD deals, but I'll start here on the 4th of February. This will be the starting date, and I'd like to filter by GBP USD, which means that I'm expecting filter out all these euro USD orders and to get information in the form of a tuple about these two GBP USD orders. So once again, group GBP, this is how you do this, inside an asterisk and quotes. So let's take a look, but I have to increase here the time span a little bit. And now what I get here, a tuple of 2. Let me confirm if these are the two GBP orders. Here you can see that symbol, GBP, GBP. And let's take a look at the next option to call this function is by ticket, order ticket. And for example, let me take a look here. If you go to, now we have selected all deals, but if you go to orders and deals, you can see some information, which is the order number and the ticket number. And here you're sending an order, and you're receiving a ticket for your order execution. And you can see here that the last order was sent here, and this column type says in, out, and of course what kind of order that was. It was a market order for selling, and this in means that you've opened the position. It's getting into the trading book. I think this will be the simplest explanation. So when you have in, you're opening positions, and when you have out, your positions are closed, so they are removed from the trading book. And this is the ticket number that we have to use to obtain the deal number. So let's take a look, for example, here 730, and let me take a look here of these two deals from the deals total. Okay, I'll remove the filter just to show you how to work. Actually, let me directly use the ticket from the MetaTrader 5 730 251 730 251 642, I think. And if I run this one now, you can see that it retrieves information for a very specific deal with the ticket number, this one, and the order. Let's take a look. The order 417, ending on 417. Yes, so this is how you can access information about your deals by providing the ticket information. And the last option from the function is to provide the position ticket. So for example, I'm going to move here only to deals, and currently I have two open positions on the Euro USD currency pair. So if I take a look here in the last one with the ticket number Sure, I should rename the parameter name, position equals to 917 021. I think this was the number. Deals get, yes, it retrieves one deal, and here you can see ticket, order, symbol. So if I move to MetaTrader, let me go to history. This one is here, the order 417. Yes, order 417. Ticket 642. This is the deal. Yes, everything works perfectly. You can extract your deals information by providing position number. And what's happening next is that we're going to start the creation of our trading bot. I think this is exactly the interesting part, what you've been looking for, how to implement this knowledge, all this information that we've covered here in these videos, in this video series about the Python module, the Python integration for MetaTrader 5. Yes, you will implement this knowledge in a real trading environment. So thank you very much for watching this video series, and I'll see you in the next video.